Today's I am going to tell you how you can lose your weight by exercises. First of all, you have to drink 1 liter water for every 20 kg of your weight. For example, if your weight is 40 kg, then you have to drink 2 liter water. After that, exercise daily for 3 times. First exercise is wall squats. It is best for thighs and buttock fat. You have to do this exercise for 20 sec and 10 repetition 3 times a day. Second exercise is planks. Planks is the best exercise for belly fat. Do planks for 60 seconds 5 repetition 3 times a day. Third exercise is leg lift. This is also best exercise for lower limb and lower belly fat. Do leg lift for 60 seconds daily 3 times day with 10 repetition. These 3 exercises are best for lose weight. You have to avoid oil, carbohydrates. Try to eat diet full of protein. Hope so you enjoy this video. Take care.